Thank you. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you must be happy in your home. Uh, Today I continue my lecture of correction of sentences. This is only for first year ABC. So this lecture depends on article. Means you have to find the mistake occurring article a and the. There is no another. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today I continue my lecture of correction of sentences. You know why I continue? Because it depends on 5 marks. If you attempt your question number 14, depends on 5 numbers, it will be very beneficial for you. So I have written the word depend on article correction sentences. So I have written the assignment as well and some 8 sentences. So I start. My dear student, number the dogs are faithful animal. How understand? The dogs are faithful animal. There is a mistake, simple. Because dogs, these are common noun. Dog is a common noun. Okay? So there is no use of the. The is wrong. Dogs are faithful animal. Do you understand? You have to find. If there is a mistake of the and if you want to add anything, you can. The dogs are faithful animal. No use of the. That is wrong. Okay. Number 2. Hannah speaks the English very well. Hannah speaks the English. English is a common thing. Okay. No use of the. But one thing another, I have read from some books. Hannah speaks English language. If I write, then I write the. Okay. Hannah speaks the English language. English language is a particular case. If there's no language, there's no use of the. Please note it by point what I say. Hannah speaks the English very well. It's a common thing, no use of the. If I say Hannah speaks English language very well, then I put the. I hope you must understand. You know, the correction of sentences always depend on simple mistake that we do not understand where is the mistake. Okay, so first I depends on article, means your correction. Number 3, he will start after the breakfast. Breakfast is a common noun. He will start after breakfast, no use of the. I think, my dear student, breakfast is a common noun. He will start after breakfast, simple, no use of the. He will start after breakfast, no use of the. Okay. My number 4, my favorite game is the football. My favorite game is the football is a common thing, common noun, so there is no use of the. My favorite game is football. My favorite game is hockey. My favorite is badminton, tennis, cricket. Because I focus, this is my wish, I'm not proper noun, so I say my favorite game is football, no use. Okay. The cholera is a dreadful होते खतरनाक. The cholera is a dreadful खतरनाक, dangerous disease. The cholera is a common disease, no use of the. Simple. Cholera is a dreadful disease, my dear student. The cholera is a dreadful disease, no use of the. Finish. Simple, common noun. The green is a beautiful color. Green is a common noun. Green is a common noun, no use of the. Green is a beautiful color. Green is a beautiful color, no use of the. Okay. The sight is one of the 5 senses. There are 2 there. The 5 senses, this is really good thing because 5 senses are particular things. Now the sight is a common, no use of the. Sight is one of the 5 senses. Sight is a common, but we focus the senses 5. They are proper noun. So we give the. No use of the. Starting the word the, No use. Sight is one of the five senses. Okay. Again, number 8. She deposited a necklace into it and covered it. Necklace is a proper thing. Why she deposited? This is a proper, something unique, something important, something very special. So no use of we put the. She deposited the necklace into it and covered it. So very hurriedly, very first I have given you the lecture of article. Today I finished my lecture article. Okay, 8 I have given to you through the lecture. And now the assignment. You broke a rule. A horse is still. He moved cars slowly and with caution. It is a beautiful place. I am the splendid worker. Could you start fire, honey? This is the age of workers, not of thinkers. These are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 sentences depends on correction. So this is assignment. Please find out the mistake. Where is the mistake of article? Because I have given you something sweet. Because I told you it depends on article. All the mistakes depends on article. So you will find from 7 sentences where is the mistake of article, and you come here to check your assignment. I should be happy, dear student, and I only hope from you people. Why I am focusing the first time to see your level, your struggle, your efforts. You are so good a student. So I have focused these things through the lectures. So I tell you, I brief you, I converse with you through a dialogue, through understanding. That you understand well, that you attempt your paper very good in your examination. So I hope, my dear student, you must enjoy. Inshallah, I will continue. Many things I have found. So slowly, gradually, I will upload my lectures, and you sit in your home and do my work and complete my assignment and come here to check me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.